Hi, I'm Joseph Elliott, and you're watching Mediaplex Sports Talk. We have a lot of material to cover today, so why don't we get started? Let me introduce you to our panel. Talking about the NHL today is Brock Seguin, Irma Tremblay, and Joel Boyce. I will ask 4 questions, and each panelist will have a chance to respond. Starting with Brock. What team has surprised you the most so far this season?
For me, it has to be the Edmonton Oilers. Well, they could score a lot of goals with all the young talent they have, but we didn't know that they could be so good defensive. They're the best defensive team in the NHL right now with a team goals against average of 1.46. They're off to a 7-2-2 start. Let's see if they can keep it up.
Mine will have to be the Pittsburgh Penguins. They are first in the Eastern Conference with no Sidney Crosby. And they even started out some games with no Malkin, no Fleury, and no Stahl. So when Crosby comes back, watch out for this team.
My pick is the Dallas Stars. After Brad Richards signed with another team, other players like Ben Erickson, they kind of step up their game, and they've done pretty good so far. Sheldon Surrey is back in the NHL after playing in the AHL, and he's doing a great job with 8 points, as well as Kerry Lettman, second star of October. Look out, this team's doing pretty good.
So Irma, which player has started off slow and has been a big disappointment to you?
I'm going to have to go with Brad Richards of the New York Rangers. You know, there was so much hype coming in this year, and right now he only has 3 goals, and somebody at his level needs to step up. He needs to produce more points.
A big disappointment, especially in Vancouver, is Roberto Luongo. He has a record of 4-3-1 right now with a save percentage of .833 as well as a 3.2 goals against average. The fans are booing him. Papers are saying they want him out. It's sad to be Roberto Luongo right now.
I'd have to go with Ilya Bryzgalov. He signed a 9-year, $51 million contract to be the future goalie for the Philadelphia Flyers. He went 36-20 and 10 last year. He was a Vezina Trophy finalist. So far this year, he's 4-4-1 with a 3.16 goals against average and an .880 save percentage. Just not good enough for that kind of money.
Joel, which rookie do you have your eye on the most this season?
I have my eye on Jake Gardiner, defenseman of the Toronto Maple Leafs, 17th pick by the Anaheim Ducks. Came over in the Boschman trade. This guy's so smooth with the puck. He's a great skater. I love watching this guy play, and Toronto is going to enjoy watching him and have him play on the team for many years.
For me, it's got to be the goaltender of the Florida Panthers, Jakob Markstrom. This team hasn't made the playoffs since 1999 when Pavel Bure was on the team and Mike Vernon was their goalie. They bring up the kid, they get rid of Okun. Now Markstrom has a 2.45 goals against average with 2 wins and a .911 save percentage. Good start for the kid. Let's see if he can keep it up. I can't believe nobody's picked Ryan Nugent-Hopkins.
Well, glad you said that because that's my pick. Right now, he is October's Rookie of the Month, and he is clicking with his line mates Taylor Hall and Jordan Eberle. And because of this line, the Oilers are 3rd in the Western Conference.
Well, it's still early in the season, but let's have everyone make their prediction for the Stanley Cup Finals. Brock, name 2 teams you think we will see in the finals this season and who you think will win.
You know, it's happened 2 out of the last 4 years, so I say, why can't it happen again? I'm going to pick the Detroit Red Wings going up against the Pittsburgh Penguins, with ultimately the Detroit Red Wings winning the Cup.
I'm going to have to agree with you, Brock. I really do think it's going to be the Penguins and the Red Wings in the finals, and the Red Wings are going to come in on top because I think this will be Nick Lidstrom's last year, and the Red Wings are going to do whatever they can to make sure he retires as a Stanley Cup champion.
I'm going to change things up a bit. I'm going to go with the Buffalo Sabres in the East. They seem to have signed some players, up their salary cap, spent a lot of money. I think they're going to go pretty far, and I think they're going to go up against the LA Kings, who I think the LA Kings will take this one. They're going to have a gritty team this year. They seem to want it really bad, so I'm going to say LA Kings.
Well, that wraps things up today. I'm Joseph Elliott, and you've been watching Mediaplex Sports Talk.